Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add an adjustment layer in Premiere Pro. Adjustment layers are especially useful when you want to apply the same effect to multiple clips simultaneously. To create an adjustment layer, click on New Item, then select Adjustment Layer. From this window, you can choose the resolution for your adjustment layer, such as 4K or 1080p. For this video, I'll create a 4K adjustment layer. Using the drop-down menu, you can also set the frame rate. Once you've configured the settings, click OK. The adjustment layer will appear in your project panel. Next, drag the adjustment layer onto the timeline and place it above all the clips you want to affect. Stretch it so that it covers the same length as the clips below. Any effects applied to the adjustment layer will now impact all the clips beneath it. To apply effects, drag the desired effect from the effects panel and drop it onto the adjustment layer. Then, to adjust or fine-tune the effect, select the adjustment layer, go to the Effect Controls panel, and make your edits. That's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.